ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅಂತ. ಟುಡೇ ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ LED TV installation. In my 15 years experience, I never saw like this TV because it is looking like a wall frame LED TV. It is like a completely frame. This kind of LED TV I am fixing first time. I faced a lot of challenge to fix the TV. This wall mounting bracket main challenge is accurate measurement. It took more than half an hour to finalize the measurement. And finally, this is the result. See, the LED TV, it is completely attached to the wall. There is no gap between wall and TV. It is completely attached to the wall. Friends, if you like this video, kindly support us. Also share this video to your friends and relatives. Kindly like and subscribe and comment this channel.